Hi, I'm Carl from Apt, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the retro-styled Smeg Coffee Maker. It's got plenty of features to make it a worthwhile addition to your kitchen, but the styling is what really sets this coffee maker apart from others on the market. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out the links in the description after the video to see our latest pricing or speak with an expert right here at Apt. The first thing you're going to notice about this coffee maker is the design. Smeg as a brand is well known for their retro styling, and this coffee maker is no different. Its rounded top and bold lettering on the front really give you the sense that you're using a machine built back into the 50s or 60s, but its features suggest otherwise, and I'll talk about those in just a bit. It also comes in a wide variety of colors, so you won't have any trouble finding one that looks nice sitting in your kitchen, office, or wherever else you might want to brew a pot of coffee. This one comes with a 10-cup pot, and if you open the top, you'll also see the filter holder and permanent filter, along with the spout where the water is dispensed. Also, you don't have to use the permanent filter. This can also use a number 4 paper filter. Just don't forget, you still need to use the filter holder, even with paper filters. Lastly, for the accessories, these also come with a measuring scoop so you can add just the right amount of grounds. Now for the features, just above the coffee pot opening, you've got 4 buttons. Starting from the left, there's the power button. Next to that is the aroma setting button, which is how you adjust the strength of the coffee. And there's 2 levels, delicate or intense. But remember, this setting doesn't reset after you brew a pot. So keep that in mind if you're looking for a different result for the next pot of coffee you're brewing. Next up is the 4-cup button. So this is a 10-cup coffee maker, but you're not always going to need that much. So turning on the 4-cup option, as you may have guessed, will only dispense 4 cups. Finally is the auto start mode button. This allows you to set a timer to automatically start brewing. Just hold this button down for 3 seconds. The display in the middle is going to start flashing, and then you just use the lever on the side to set your time. Once you have your start time set, you use that same lever and press OK to confirm. You do that just by pressing in on the button. This is another option that stays activated until you press the button again. When it's off, you'll see the clock appear back on the display. Something else you may eventually see on the display is a descaling icon that'll start flashing when it's time to descale the coffee maker. This coffee maker also features a keep warm mode. It's automatically activated after your pot of coffee has been brewed and stays on for an hour. You'll know it's on if you see the light on the power button flashing slowly. 2 things to note about this feature. 1, you can manually turn it off by pressing the power button again, and it doesn't work with the 4-cup brewing option. The Smeg Retro Coffee Maker is easy to use, it's easy to clean, and brews a great tasting cup of coffee. If you're looking to order one of these or you have any questions at all, be sure to contact our experts here at Apt. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.